In front of me is MEDIATEK KT107, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps, then find and select settings. Here, locate and open date and time. You will find it under system settings, and here you can smoothly turn off automatic date and time by using this first tab. Just click on off then, and now you can set date. And okay, date and time manually by yourself. You can also change the format of your clock, so just use 24 or 12-hour format clock. It's up to you. Then you can change the time zone as well, so just unmark the automatic one, and then you can choose any time zone that only you want to apply. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can manage date and time. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, all you need to do is to go back to automatic, for example, network provided time, and also automatic time zone right here. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can manage date and time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.